service warning reset in a Ford Mondeo. This is a 2012 model, and I'm going to show you how to reset that right now. So what you're going to want to do is, with the key off, you press and hold the brake and accelerator similar to the Transit. Then you turn the key on. Keep it held for anywhere between, I think, 10 and 20 seconds. But keep it held until you see the information changing. Once you see that, you press OK. And the service warning is now reset. There you go. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.